Lecture 5876, The Best Way to Break Up. Starting a new relationship can mean the beginning of a new life, but an amicable breakup is as important as coming together. Could you teach us the best way to part? If you feel the need to separate, this means that the relationship should not continue, and at that point the important thing to do would be to separate with a deep respect toward your partner. This is the principle. Never separate to pursue some personal advantage. You should break up for your partner, not for yourself. By following this principle, nature may grant you a second chance. A wrong way to separate would be to keep blaming each other, perpetuating only mutual hatred. Remember that both of you have responsibilities for what is happening to yourselves, and that each of you has made mistakes against the other. So don't argue, don't nag, and don't complain. The difficulties you face will become greater the more you do this. Instead, after breaking up, accept your own deficiencies and fulfill yourself soon, so that you can help your partner when he or she is in need. Always think about the good of the other person and take a step back. In this way, you will be able to receive the blessings from nature. Nature works in this way. She is always beside us and knows our every thought and behavior. Nothing can be hidden from her. It is only us who do not know her.